Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a Kia Optima garage door opener. Start by parking close to the garage motor and set the ignition to accessory. Locate the home link or built-in transmitter buttons on the rearview mirror or overhead console. Keep the garage remote handy and confirm the remote battery has charge. Make sure you can reach the opener motor's Learn button before proceeding to programming steps. Next, we will sync the remote to the vehicle by pairing the buttons. Choose an unused vehicle button and press it until the indicator blinks slowly, then hold it. While holding the vehicle button, press and hold the garage remote button until the vehicle light blinks rapidly and the motor acknowledges a signal. Release both buttons and test the vehicle button. The garage door should open or close. Repeat for additional buttons if needed. After initial pairing, complete programming for rolling code openers by pressing the motor unit's Learn button, then immediately press the programmed vehicle button twice. The garage opener should respond with lights or movement indicating success. Test the button several times from different distances to confirm reliable operation. If it fails, repeat the process, check the remote battery, and ensure no interference sources are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.